2017, so mainly I joined the port city. So when I joined, the halfway the reclamation work was done. So that time we started the infrastructure design work. So infrastructure design is divided into two areas, phase 1 and phase 2. So phase 1 design we already started that time. So it took a few years to finish it actually. So once it is finished, we start construction of the phase 1 infrastructure work. So the now infrastructure work almost going to be finished this year. So it will be finished. Then it will start functioning. When we do the design, there's a different from the the mainland actually. The port city is very well organized, and each and every plot we have the services connected to. And basically actually this is because Sri Lanka doesn't have the technology to build this type of city. So actually the Chinese, they transfer their technology for us to build the host city. So using the latest technology. Because luckily I found this job. So whatever the experience I gain in Dubai, I use in Sri Lanka to develop my homeland. So that's the main thing. And even my daughters they like here because I can stay with them and work. There are a lot of Sri Lankans working. This creating a lot of jobs, and plus the people are getting experience using this type of project. Once the port city is finished, there will be create more than 80,000 jobs in Sri Lanka. So that is also more benefit for the Sri Lankan people, as well as this is boost Sri Lanka's economy.